This paper is made up of what?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus flower or leaf?
Flower.
Flower. What you are testing?
Acids.
What acid it is?
It's a
Lemon.
citric acid.
Taken it from lemon.
It's I just got it. It was just a black lemon juice.
Okay. Then
Look at this red color in the acid.
yeah.
If it turns red color, then it means it's
Ah.
an acid.
So if it turns red color, it is an acid. Okay. Next, take another paper.
Next,
Call anyone. Call anyone. They can do that.
next I will call science.
Clap for him. Good. Durvesh. Ah.
Give this to the powder solution, and even if the
Powder solution it is, right?
if there's powder sticking on it, just wipe it out.
Wipe it out.
Now it's turning blue.
Turning blue.